In this Repurpose.io review, I'm going to show you step by step how the platform works. I'm going to show you how you can use this to automatically repost your videos to all of your other social media platforms, as well as how you can turn long form into short form clips that once again get shared on all of your favorite platforms. Is it worth your money though? That's the big question that I'm here to answer for you today. First off, let me get started by giving you a demo. So this is what Repurpose.io looks like. I've got a paid plan, but in case you would like to check this out yourself after watching this video, I'll leave a link to a 14-day free trial in the description down below. The fact that they've got that available without submitting your credit card details already is a great win for the platform. With that being said, once you've signed up for your account, you'll end up right here. Now, as you can see, I've got a paid plan and I already have connections set up as well as workflows. Right now, I want to explain what those are and how you can get going with them. So once you end up here, you've got workflows and connections. Now, these two are the main things on this platform. A connection is basically your platform. So how many platforms do you have? How many of them do you want to add? And did you actually add them, yes or no? So a connection is basically you adding your platform to Repurpose.io. As you can see, I've got Zoom, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok set up. If you enter the platform and you want to enter a new connection, you can click on this button and then simply do that. They've got all of these available. They've got audio podcast, video podcast, SoundCloud, YouTube, Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, Zoom, LinkedIn, Twitter, Binge, Libsyn, Captivate, Instagram, WordPress, WebEx, TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat. They've got pretty much every major platform out there that you might want to use so that you can repost to or repost from that platform. Now, real quick, you'll see source or destination or source/destination. What does that mean? If it only says source, this means that we can only take the video from this platform, but we cannot repost it to. So for example, video podcast, we can take the video podcast and then share that to other platforms that have destination on them, but not to a platform that only has source. So we cannot upload a video from video podcast to audio podcast. That is not possible. Or from video podcast to WebEx. Not possible. Only go from source to destination. So for example, YouTube is a source as well as a destination, meaning we can take videos from there as well as put it on the platform. So that is how that works. In order to set up a connection, all you need to do is simply click on the platform that you would like to link. For example, if I would like to link LinkedIn, I would simply click on this, click connect. It will then make you sign in to your account, which I'll do right now. All you need to do is allow it to do so. And there we go, success. And as you can see, I have now set up LinkedIn as a connection. So setting up a connection in all the platforms that are available is extremely easy, and Repurpose.io has made that extremely easy to do, as well as add them, as well as start using them. So that is how the connections tab work. Pretty easy. You can add all of them by simply clicking here, clicking on the one you would like to add, and then signing in. Incredible process, extremely easy to do. But then we need to get to the good stuff, which happens at the workflows part. So if you go to workflows, this is where you need to set up the workflow, basically the process, so that you can do whatever it is that you want to do. So for example, I've got a few set up. As you can see, I've got TikTok to Twitter, which means every single time I upload a video to TikTok, it automatically gets posted to Twitter as well. I've got Zoom to YouTube, meaning I can upload my Zoom meetings, which is automatically done, and then turn that into a YouTube video, which is long form. So if I do an interview on Zoom, it automatically gets posted onto my YouTube channel. I need to simply enable this automatic, and there you go. It now gets done automatically. I'll get to how that works and when you can use that in a bit. And then I've got YouTube long form, LF, to TikTok short form, SF, meaning every single time I upload a YouTube video, I can turn this into a TikTok video, which is going to be a clip. The way I do that, and the way that you can do that as well, is by going to view content. They will then show you all of your long form videos, which you can see right here. Some have already been published, some have been scheduled. What you can then do is, when that video shows up, click create snippets, and then from here, you can create snippets. You can do this manually, or you can have this done automatically. With this feature, I do recommend it to do it manually, because otherwise it might not catch the best parts. For example, if I want this video to be clipped from second 23 or 24, let's say, up until 37, I simply select that time frame, and that's that. If I then want to add another clip from this long form video, I simply click create snippet, and then I do the same. So for example, these time frames, for example, another one, from there to here, and that's basically how you can start setting it up. What you can then do is give it a title, and that will be the title for your TikTok video. For example, Iman Gadzi's lifestyle, just like that, right? Lifestyle, type that in, and then you're done. Iman Gadzi's 50K car, whatever it is, simply type that and you'll be done. And you can create as many as you'd like from one long form video. As soon as you're done selecting all these snippets, aka clips, simply click on the cross. They'll then show beneath the video. You can then automatically post them, or you can schedule them. Now, as you can see, these are queued. So they're processing right now. Within a few minutes, they will be posted automatically to TikTok that I've also linked in the connections tab. So you can see this is extremely easy to use. So do I recommend this? Yes, I definitely recommend Repurpose.io. I'm not done yet. I'll go over pricing as well as other features, but everything works. It's extremely easy to set up. You only need to do connections, then go to workflows, set it up, and then it's done. All of this will now go out automatically, which is exactly what it promises for you to do. As you can see, processing. So these will shortly be uploaded, which I'll show you as well. I'll simply open up my TikTok and then show you that the posts are not here yet. Go to my view profile. As you can see, we've got these few as a test. This is a test account. Then simply refresh this, and then these should be going live in a bit. I'll leave this to the side, I'll move on, and then we'll go back to TikTok later on in the video to show you that the post did indeed go live. So as I already have my account, I've already got these set up. However, how do you create a new one, and what is possible with this? Basically, you can make any combination. So you can go from TikTok to Twitter, from Zoom to YouTube, from Zoom to YouTube to TikTok to Twitter. You can basically go endless, because if I now do a Zoom meeting, my Zoom meeting gets uploaded to YouTube, which is long form. That long form video then gets turned into short form TikToks, and my TikToks automatically get posted on Twitter. So from one Zoom meeting, I can now create tons of videos that go out on multiple platforms with just these workflows alone, which the concept of that is extremely useful, and it works, which is the most important part, of course, when we look at Repurpose.io. So how do we set up a new one? You click on create a new workflow, and then from here you can name it. Now what I recommend you do is very important. Be very concise and clear on what it is about, because as soon as you've got dozens of workflows set up and you're not sure which platform goes to which and what happens, it's going to be confusing. So for example, YouTube to Twitter, just like that. Click next. Then select the source type, which is going to be YouTube. We're going to be going from YouTube to Twitter. So we're going to do this from the main channel. We're going to upload not the full video, but snippets once again. So you can choose to upload the full video. It's simply going to share the entire thing to Twitter, or snippets. For this one, I'm going to do snippets, which we're then going to share to Twitter, just like that. Then click done. And there we go. We have just set that up. Now, as you can see, it is added. However, it is not set on autopilot yet. You can do this manually, which means you have to go to view content and then simply create the snippets and click publish yourself, or you can turn it automatically. And for that, you do need a paid plan, which I'll show you in a bit in terms of pricing. But as you can see, these will now be shared automatically. I can then click on create snippets. And then from this video, which is a 12-minute YouTube video on this channel that I'm using, I can now make short clips. For example, just like that. This is going to be let's say a 24-second clip. We're going to go here. And then right now, it's automatically going to post this. It's queued, it's going to process, and it's then going to go live. With that being said, let's take a look at the TikTok videos have been posted yet, yes or no. There you go. 3 posts have just been done, all of which are the snippets that I created with Repurpose.io from my YouTube videos. So going back to my workflows real quick, I basically turned a YouTube video into a TikTok video. These TikTok videos just got posted, and these TikTok videos will now automatically get posted to my Twitter because I've got the TikTok to Twitter set up as well. So definitely this tool is absolutely amazing, and it works. It's fantastic. You can use it to automatically repost from one platform to the other, and basically from one to all of the other platforms by setting up all the workflows. So if you want to share one YouTube clip to TikTok and then it goes out to all the other ones, all you need to do is simply set up all of the connections. So YouTube to TikTok, then a separate one, TikTok to Twitter, then TikTok to Instagram, Instagram to this. You basically set up the entire flow, and then because of that, it will go out on each platform, which is absolutely fantastic. And I'll prove that to you right now. I'll quickly refresh, and then we'll go from TikTok to Twitter. We'll go to view content. Let's see if they already appear or not. simply reload it. Sometimes it might take, let's say, a few minutes for these videos to appear. I literally just posted this 3 minutes ago. So we'll give it a few minutes and see if they show up right here on my TikTok, and if they then will be shared to my Twitter page. And here we go. They now already show up right here on the TikTok to Twitter. But if I go to my Twitter, you'll see they're not posted yet, but this will happen within 2 hours after the video going live on my TikTok. You can see that, oh, they're already here. Perfect. This video will literally change your life in 12 minutes. There we go. This one is already live. And then these ones will go live within 2 hours after posting on TikTok. I can also do this manually if I simply click publish or schedule them. I'll simply do it right now, publishing it myself. It's queued, going to take a while, process, and then post. So this will be up in just a few minutes on my Twitter. So if you start thinking what is possible with just this tool alone, you can basically make endless combinations if you set up all of your platforms and then set up the workflows so that every single platform goes to the other platform and all of your posts get reshared on every social media platform that you've got. This is the most useful tool that you can possibly imagine if you're, let's say, a content marketer or let's say a social media creator that doesn't want to go through the hassle of setting up each account, posting every clip individually on each profile, because then you're going to be so busy every single day. Whereas if you set up this platform, you're simply done with just posting it on one platform, because it will then go out automatically on all of the other platforms because of the workflows that you've got set up, which once again you can simply do by going to workflows, click on create a new workflow, and then select the platform you'd like to repost from and then the platform that you'd like to repost to, and then you're done. As you can see, that TikTok now also got posted onto my Twitter 20 seconds ago, which you can see right there. So all of this definitely does work. It's exactly what they intended it to be and what they claim it to be. However, in order to figure out if this is worth your money, we need to take a look at the pricing. Once again, do know that there's a free trial available, a 14-day free trial without your credit card. I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. As you can see myself, I've got the content marketer plan. So these are the plans that they've got available. If you pay monthly, these will be the prices. If you pay yearly, these will be the prices. I'm currently paying monthly, and as you can see, I chose this one. Let me tell you why. They've got free plans available. They've got the podcaster plan, content marketer plan, and agency plan. Now for most of you, I recommend the content marketer plan, which is the one I've got myself as well. I'll go over why that is in a bit. However, let me tell you why you should probably not go with the podcaster plan. So this is designed for just audio creators. So if you want to reshare from all of the other platforms to another platform, this is not for you. This is only for audio creators. As you can see, repurpose videos not included. This is only to repurpose audio to other platforms, which is what most of you are not here for. Because of that, what you need is this right here, the content marketer plan. You can repurpose videos as well as audio, and you've got 5 connections per social media channel. So you can do 5 workflows individually per social media channel to the other ones, which is fantastic. So the only reason you would choose the agency plan is because you can then get 20 connections. Now this is only important if you do have a lot of people, you have a lot of accounts, you want to add a lot of stuff on here, which for most of you will not be necessary. So do I recommend Repurpose.io? Yes, I definitely do. It's absolutely amazing. It does exactly what you need to do. It's very effective, very easy. Plus, what I like the most is the resources that they've got available. If you go to resources, click on tutorial videos, what you'll see here is a full menu that's going to walk you through the exact steps that you might want to do. For example, if I click right here, he's basically going to tell me what to do, and I can then choose what I want to do. For example, if I want to learn how to auto-publish short-form videos, I click here, and it's then going to take me to that tutorial. As you can see, if I need to figure out how to create a workflow, I click on this button, and it'll bring me to a tutorial video showing me how to do the workflow. I can then go back to the main menu once I figured that out, and then go back and click create clips from existing content. They're then going to give another tutorial. Let's see, create a workflow. And then once again, another full tutorial on how to do this. So this is extremely easy, showing you exactly how you need to do this. With that being said, if you do want to try Repurpose.io yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below for a 14-day free trial, which helps support the channel as well, so that you can repurpose all of your social media content, as well as automatically repost it to other platforms. I've also made a full tutorial video. I'll leave a link for that in the description down below too. Plus, let me know if you've got any questions about Repurpose.io. I'll be more than happy to help you out, and I'll see you next time.